Majestic, luxury and timeless elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to 365 Ocean View Drive. The absolute pinnacle of splendor and luxury. This newly constructed home features a gourmet kitchen, lavish entertainment deck, perfect for entertaining on a grand scale or enjoying a life of luxurious seclusion. 4 regal bedrooms with spectacular ensuite bathrooms. This home will satisfy even the most discerning investor. The home is set over 3 meticulously curated levels and also features a professional office with its very own opulent bar and lounge. A fully automated world-class home capped off with the most pristine infinity swimming pool you have ever seen. And if that is not enough, indoor-outdoor nirvana enhanced by 270-degree unobstructed views spanning from Signal Hill all the way to the Atlantic Ocean and the incredible Bantry Bay and Sea Point skyline in between. Calling all connoisseurs and purveyors of the finest things in life. Get in touch with us today and let us make this dream home a reality for you.